You suck. Dude, you realize I just recorded all of that?
Everybody, I'm not a bad
Did you hit something?
No, I did not. Why would I hit it?
Cuz, I dare you to hit Raider.
No, I'm not hitting my dog.
Hit the car. Ah, you suck. You're a really bad driver. You would be a horrible driver for Grand Theft Auto.
Dude, I'd freaking be a good driver for Grand Theft Auto. I'd probably blow up every 2 seconds.
Like hitting dogs, hitting people.
There's no dogs in this game, that sucks.
Yeah, huh?
No, there's not.
Yeah.
What Grand Theft Auto do you play?
Vice City.
Alright, gotta straighten out my wheel again.
Did someone hit Raider?
Oh, what did he hit right here? Ah. People, it's... God, this guy's the one. Straighten out my wheel. So confusing, the brakes, because I'm using 2-for-1 here.
There, check it out. Beaver with the chainsaw.
Huh? Well, hitting beavers are chainsaws.
Dude, check it out. Bud Island.
What about Bud Island?
Just shut up. I'm saying stuff from Gravity Falls. Mabel, 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 Mabel.
Hold on. It is.